you guys can see, I don't look the best. My haircut's not the best. I know Anthony hasn't gotten a haircut in a while. So I got my barber to come through to the crib, get us a haircut. But for now, I'm actually learning trading from my homie Trader Kang. It's at Trader Kang on Instagram, and on the description below, I'm gonna put a link to his trading group. That's where I'm learning trading, guys. And when I tell you guys, he's the man, and I've just been learning from this. You know, he's not paying me to promote this, and I know I have an affiliate link, but bro, I made $20. That's nothing, you know what I mean? I would just join it because this guy, like right now, see, oh my god, bro, this guy's about to make more guap, bro. Look at this. Oh my god. All right, anyways, guys, I'm learning from him right now. This is not some Forex stock shit you're actually gonna have to learn. I've been learning for the last month, and I'm excited to finally trade with real money soon. So yeah, if you guys want to learn stocks, learn from David.
Working while you sleep, sleeping while you wait. My chapter with you is done, I read a different page. Only heard the second part when I said give and take. How could you tell lies and then just look me in the face?
But please don't reach, don't change. Not about to say, but
You won.
Hmm?
You won?
No, I didn't fucking win. I got dropped.
Alright guys, so we just got a haircut, me and Anthony, you know. Mo came through, blessed us, but right now, I took a shower, I have a meeting with my COO Amber. We're gonna talk about, you know, what my main focus is right now and the projects I'm working on. She basically helps me organize all of that, and you know, that's one of my weaknesses is being organized with so much going on, and she just helps me with that, and it's been a blessing ever since I started working with her. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go do my meeting. After that, me and Anthony are gonna film some content. It's not even me, it's like I can't be emotional, you know? It's like at a point where if I'm bumming out, I have to take myself off type shit. Like, write down all of your goals, right? All of your long-term goals. You know, if you guys watch the videos in the mindset section, you should have seen that we talked about setting goals and why that's important. I told you guys to do that. So write down all your goals. The second homework is I want you to go ahead and do 100 outreach today. Go on Instagram, go on Facebook, talk to 100 people about email marketing. Drinking some sparkling water right now, just finished filming like 3 videos in under 15 minutes. That's what happens when you can spit off the dome. One of the best skills you can get is the ability to speak with conviction about a topic or topics, right? And me, I've been grateful enough to run this business for the last 3 years that I was able to, you can ask Anthony, we did those 3 videos in very quick, right? And that was because I knew what I was talking about. So one thing you guys should really start practicing is your speech and your tonality. As you guys know, as I'm speaking to you, this is different than me speaking like this and talking about the vlog like this. You guys would not watch the vlog if I talk like that. And that's a very, very underrated skill that people do not think about, your tonality. Fix your tonality and you'll make a lot of money. But yeah, right now, we just finished filming this. And what we're doing now is just cleaning up, and me and Anthony are gonna come up with new ideas for this new YouTube series that I'm trying to start off. By the time this comes out, it might already be out, or you know, we might get some glimpse of it. But yeah, other than that, we might go buy an electric scooter now, and then I'll update you guys as we go.
Yeah, so it's not relevant. It's like, it's literally whatever.